Hi everyone. My technology tool, as you can see, is WordPress. It is a blogging tool and it's very versatile because you can use it just to create blogs, or you could use it as a learning platform for starting your own business or just like exploring businesses, or even like an e-portfolio website. So let's go to my account on WordPress. It's just like the WordPress homepage. It's super easy to use. You can search anything you want. So my site up on the left corner. This is my site. I created like a fitness blog. I'm super into fitness and nutrition. It's something I've wanted to create, so WordPress was a really cool platform to be able to do that and to explore what other people are doing. So if I go to my blog posts, you can see that I made a blog entry, and if you click on it, you can see what I did. So I entered my today's breakfast. Now I made this public so anyone can view it, but you can make things private if you would like to. So if I want to explore more ideas for my page, I could just go back to the home page and I could search in something like nutritional breakfast and then look through. People have all these ideas. I can get more ideas for myself to build the platform. Now, this is so cool because today marketing is super big, and anything to do with being an entrepreneur or expanding business. So, this is an awesome way to set up your own profile. And also, you should always follow people that are like you or you want to get ideas from. So here I'll follow these people, and then you can always see their posts, and maybe they'll get the notification that you followed them, and they can also see your posts in return. So that's a good way to get publicity out if you are really trying to start a business and a new platform for yourself. Um, there's also the Discover page on WordPress, and that's just like based on people you follow. It gives you more ideas, anything you want, basically. So that's the rundown of WordPress in a scenario that I used it for, which would be marketing, and I would just using it for nutrition. If I wanted to maybe start like my own nutritional supplement or something like that, then I could make a page all about that and follow new supplements and hope they would follow me back. So yeah, that's the rundown of WordPress, and thanks for watching.